Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sakal Pachapati, and in this video I will be talking about how can we avoid multiple if-else condition in Python language. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a calculator program where I will be using some if-else condition, and then I will show you how I reduce the multiple lines and how I write a clean code. Okay, so let's say I'm creating one function calculator. Okay, and here I'm passing two parameters, let's say a comma b, and yeah, let me pass one more parameter which will define whether which operation I need to perform. Okay, cool. So here I will write like if operator is equal to add, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do return a plus b. Cool. Likewise, elif operator is equal to subtract, so I'm writing a sub, then do return a minus b. Cool. Likewise, if I write here elif operator is equal to multiply, okay, then I will write here return a into b, and elif operator is equal to division. Cool. So return me a divided by b, right? And here what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna print, and I will call this function calculator with parameter, let's say 4 comma 5 comma add. See, it gave me 9. Cool. So let me change this. Let me write here 6 5, and let me just write here multiply. Now you can see the answer is 30, but you can see like this is, like I use multiple if else condition, and suppose the program is very big, then it is not a clean code, I would say. Every time you need to write this if else condition. So the hack is that I can reduce this line by making a separate function. So what I will do, I will do this like I will create one function def add, and here I will pass this a comma b parameter, and I'll do that like this. Cool. Likewise, I'll copy this code, and if I go above, just paste it. Cool. And just I will change the function name, let's say division. Here it is multiply. Okay. Here I will do subtract. So I will write here sub only. And let me change the sign, a minus b, a into b, a divided by b. Cool. And here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create one dictionary. Okay. So I'm gonna create one dictionary. So for that I will write here dict underscore calculator. Cool. And here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write add colon, and here I will add this, I will write this function. So if you can see, if I hover it, then it's saying that this is a function. Cool. Likewise, I'm gonna do, I'll write here sub, and here I will call the function sub. Not calling, it is not a kind of calling, I'm just initializing the value, the sub into this function. Cool. Likewise, I'll write here for multiply, and here I will call this multiply function, and here division, and write division function. Cool. Okay, something is wrong, comma, now it seems correct. Here now the thing is, I have to call this function. So okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just write here print dictionary Okay, let me just run this program. Now you can see this is the answer of previous program. So let me just comment it. Okay, now let me run it again. So you have noticed here that this this dictionary returns me this, this is the key and this is the value. In the value you can see the object of function, add function. Likewise, for sub, the the value is the object of this sub function, and so on. So here, which function I need to call? So I am saying that I need to call add function. Okay, cool. And here I have to pass a parameters a and b, you can see, right? So let's say I'm passing here 6 comma 7, so the result would be 13, correct? So see, the answer is 13. Likewise, what I can do, I can call any function, like uh 5 9, sorry, not here. I'll write here multiply, and I'll just call it, the answer would be 43 42. Cool. And likewise, you can call it multiple times based on your need, and just change the parameters. Like 4, here I will write like 8, and instead of multiply I will write here add, and instead of this I will write here sub. Cool. So if I run this program, then you will see we have three outputs: 42 minus 3 14, which is the correct output. So I hope you have understood this concept, and if you like my video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. And if you are someone who are preparing for interview, learning SQL, Databricks, SQL, Python, and so on, then please subscribe to my channel so that you will get a better knowledge on these topics. So chalo, thank you, bye bye.